When running a first product or setting up a new product, you want to have bag setup turned on. Once bag setup is turned on and you have your infeed conveyor set to the right depth, you can press the green single button. What this will do is this will run one product through, and as it's running through, once the trailing edge goes past the photo eye, it'll start your bag timer, and once the bag timer times out, it'll stop your product. What you want to make sure is that your product is not underneath the seal bar. If it is, you'll have to increase your bag timer. When bag setup is on, you can hit the single start conveyor button. What this will do is it'll run one product through, and it won't allow the seal head to come down on the product. What it's going to do is it's going to show you the bag timer that you have. Once the photo eye detects the rear edge of the product, it'll start that timer and it'll stop it on the exit conveyor. So the bag timer will stop your product on the exit conveyor. Where it stops it should be usually in the ballpark of 2 inches off the edge of the seal bar. Here's an example of 0 on the bag length timer. You'll notice as it comes through, the product is not going to make it all the way into the seal area. You can see that it's stopped where the seal bar would actually come down on the product. So here we have the bag timer set to too long, so the product will transfer too far into the seal area. Got the bag setup turned on. Hit the single start button. So once the product goes through, the trailing edge goes past the photo eye that's right here. The timer will start for 5 seconds and stop the product on the exit conveyor. The bag timer also is dependent on the conveyor speeds. If you change your conveyor speeds, you'll have to change your bag timer as well.